Hello everyone. If you wanted to know how you can download Adobe Photoshop on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to download Adobe Photoshop on your computer easily. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to search for Adobe Photoshop. You're going to click onto this first link from adobe.com. And once you're here, you're just going to select free trial on here. And after that, you're going to select your method. And then you're going to select your payment method here. After that, click continue. And then you're going to select your subscription method here. After that, you're going to click continue. And here you're going to put in your credit card's details. So you're going to put in your credit card's number, your expiry month along with the year, and then the security code. After that, you're going to put in your first and your last name. And then you're going to select your country or your region. After that, you're just going to click start free trial here. You won't be billed for now. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to get Adobe Photoshop on your computer. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.